Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be having another update about MMAT or metamaterials, okay? Guys, I want to catch you up with some good informations out there, okay? We're going to be talking, sit back, lay back, and just chill out throughout this video, okay? In the video, I will be talking about, in the following video, I will be talking about a lot why we need to relax about this, okay? Like, what are going to be my thoughts about this, about the dividend, some like speculations about the actual stock and all the other stuff, okay, and why they're not the same as Jimmy and AMC either, like even though they're being shorted a lot, okay. First of all, I will be talking about then of excuse me about this, but at the end I will be talking about the technical analysis and prediction. So first of all, I will be talking about like why we really need to chill out. Like seriously, we really need to chill out. First of all, I get it, okay? I mean, a lot of the investors are here, boys and girls. It does not matter. Some are like angry. Some like they have bills due. Like okay, they have bills to pay, and some have option like contracts expiring. Okay, but guys, we believe in this company's future, and the CEO of the company is a guy, a person that is on stock tweets. Okay, on stock tweets, and he's actually interacting with all of the other investors who are kind of having some questions about the stock and all the other stuff. Okay, so he cares about us and about the shareholders and wants to reward people who actually believe in the company, not just emotional traders who want to make a quick buck or a quick bread. Okay, but there is a lot of bread to be made in this stock. Okay, and again, I understand you guys. Okay, have a like you have your investing goals and want your options ITM, but this this process takes time. You've heard it a million times, so please relax, okay? We are not worth 2.89, like 2.9, like 94 that we're sitting at the moment, or 2.90, okay? We're not worth that, okay? Just hold, okay? It's all you need to do. Don't go like scoring on the internet looking for ways to make quick money. It's highly unlikely that you will, okay? But seriously, relax. Better days are ahead of a beautiful um charts and all the other good stuff. So the word that I want to say, just relax and everything will be good. First of all, I just want to move these lines a little to the side so I can kind of make the chart more beautiful. Okay. I heard also there was a guy that was like T0 or RTUR3D. That was like, oh, like what is the deal with MMAT? Okay, and the merger is not being completed due to the TRCH shares still being traded between the hedge funds. Okay, and TRCH shares should not exist in any shape or form due to the merger from over a month ago. But that's why we don't need to believe everything that we saw on the internet, because that was just a speculation from some guy that had like 300 followers on Twitter. So that's why we should not kind of believe that. And also another thing that I saw right there on somewhere on the internet was about the dividend. Okay, I just want to find it for you guys. It seems like I cannot find it at the moment, but give me a second right now. Oh, also, I just want to talk about what George said or something. Okay, he so there was one guy on Twitter, I guess, that was talking about. Oh, I really don't that he like did really did not understood how a company that was found or that was like found in or funded in 2012 has taken 9 years to get production going on in their products. Okay, and he like it says that I do understand that the starting out it was more of a research and development company, but the thing just do not add up. And George, the CEO, said it's simple. For the first 5 years, we were a design house. Okay, we designed new materials and we outsourced the manufacturing to semiconductor fabs. Okay, when they could not produce our designs at reasonable cost and scale, we had to invent our own process. Okay, we then scaled it and that's it. It's very simple. And there was some recent feelings about that. Well, I just want to find information about the dividend. Okay, I just want to find it for you guys. Okay, so I saw it, and they says that There is a lot of comments suggesting that some folks believe in the dividend that will be soon or ever, okay, that will be soon, but or ever, okay, have a declared value, or that the dividend will yield a single payment come in the December. But I think that it will be in 2021, not in 2022. But we'll see what will be happening, and that's not how this dividend works. Okay, I think there may be a value in explaining how this does work. As a value like a balancing measure for a shareholder of TRCH and shareholders of MMET. This guy says that a key component of this business agreement or the reverse merger was the following: shareholders of MMATF received 1.84 like shares of each MMATF share they held. Okay, so TRCH shareholders received a special dividend for each of their TRCH shares. The That dividend is a placeholder with no interesting or intrinsic value itself. The That serves essentially as an IOU. It will never be $3 or 20, okay, or any other amount. So Torchlight is in the process of liquidating their oil and gas assets, their equipment, lands, and rights, and etc. Okay, so uh, the dividend holders will receive a percentage of the proceeds of each asset sale. At least, I mean, let's just say at least each on the oh my god, at least each one exceeds $2 million in 30 days after each sale is finalized, until the end of the December. Okay, after December, any remaining assets will go into a holding company, and dividend holders will receive shares in the company. There's more regarding the eventual fate of the holding company, but odds or the hopes are that we won't get that far. If you want to understand how that would play out, I encourage you to read the define a proxy, define the merger and field with the SEC. It is a fascinating document which explains all of this in greater detail. Search EDGAR for MMAT and find it in their fillings. Okay, so it represents our rights to receive a percentage of the Torchlight asset sales, and at the time over the next several months. So after December, you will receive shares of the holding company for any assets that will remain unsold. Okay, that's it. But I hope that you did understand it, and a lot of people that you should double check with them, confirm they understand what it is. Okay, many of the brokers didn't earlier on and may not yet. I'm not sure how they'd arrive at cash equivalent, other than they deliver the asset sale payments to you each time they occur, which is basically all the dividend in the first place. If that's the case, they are essentially acting as the dividend anyway. So dividend or shares, we will see what will happen with that. But I think that for those of you who did get the opportunity, props to you guys, and so on and so on. That's about it for today's video. Let me know what are your thoughts. My predictions on this will be something like that. Okay, as I said, I will be giving you my predictions. I think that we can kind of bounce off of this level right here, this area. I'm gonna add it right now. Why that? Because if you just clicked on the save volume, um, if you do like that, let's just go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. If you look at the charts like this, I think that here we have a high probability chance to come. Why? Because I just want this to get okay. So here, as you can see, the volume was big, okay, and whenever the spike here is bigger, and this okay, we could have a chance to even touch bounce off of this. So at these levels, at these high points, we can either kind of touch go kind of have it as a target, or kind of the price can bounce off of it, touch it. Okay, so these are kind of the magnets, not magnets, but okay, I think that this is where we could kind of retest it, and that it could kind of push to the downside then once again. Okay, so let me know what are your thoughts about this. Peace out, guys, and have a great day for the rest of your